It's time para sa isang adventure na ating kakaharapin. Adventure na ngayon lang ulit natin magagawa sa buong buhay natin. Nga pala, meron nga pala tayo Ender Pearl. Sana na-interrupt ko yung cinematic shit. So ayan nga, no, meron tayong Ender Pearl. Ito kasi yung ginawa ko. Etang, suotin lang natin yung armor natin. Taka na, nasira ko pa yung entrance, cinematic entrance natin. Okay, so gumawa na ako ng Ender Portal. Yan. So dito is gagawa tayo ng mga potion, pero wala pa naman laman yan. So ito yung flint and steel natin, pambukas na portal. Pero wait lang, luto muna tayo ng food, magbaon tayo. Bawalin natin lahat yan. Gagi, kailangan pala natin ng maraming coal. Kulang pa pala yung supply natin ng coal dito. Wait lang, kuha pala muna tayo dito. Hi, villager. So, namatay nga pala yung kasama kong villager sa bahay kasi ang tanga-tanga. May zombie kasi dun sa pinto. Tapos nagumaga. Umaga na. May zombie pa rin sa pinto. Tang ines yan. Lumapit ba naman dun sa pinto, tas hindi umalis? Di napatay siya ng zombie. Tanga-tanga. Ay, nako. Sometimes villagers are fool. Hey! We have amethyst here. But this is not the right for some cave adventure. Our cave adventure is finally over. And it's time. It's time for a new adventure that we are about to explore, and it's the Nether. Pero kuha muna tayo ng hanap muna tayo ng supply ng coal. Sana kailangan natin ng coal eh. Wait lang. Fuck. Kuha muna tayo ng hanap muna tayo ng supply ng coals kasi kailangan natin ng torch para hindi tayo maligaw. Kasi ang ginagawa ko, nag-place ako ng torch sa bawat place na madadaan ako. Excuse me, Mr. Golem. Tapos naglalagay ako ng torch sa bawat daan na madaanan ko kasi para hindi ako mawala. So, ganun yung pamamaraan ko para hindi ako maligaw eh. Saan yung torches ko? Okay. So, yung mga tinapay, yung foods, dito na natin ilagay. And tapos, axe, diamond axe. Then, hanap na tayo supply ng coal. Excuse me, Mr. Golem. It's amazing na hindi bumababa dito yung golem eh, no? Hindi siya nag-explore sa cave. Ako, wag pala nating uubusin masyado yung natin. Yung torch, kailangan nga pala natin to. Sige, maghanap na naman tayo supply ng ng torch, ng coal eh. Huwag titingin sa Enderman. Unless that pala, dinala natin yung natin o yung bangka natin. Ganito kasi ginawa ko sa Ender eh. So we just need to look him. What the fuck is that? How the hell? Anda! Basta tinignan ko siya ng medyo Ayan. Anda! What the fuck are you? You know what? Imbis na matakot ako sa sound ng Enderman, putang ina. Naiinis ako sa kabubuan niya. Pinapapunta ko siya dito. Yan, ang ina mo ha. Woo! Ang taka mo. Tangina. Ang purpose nga pala natin dito, humanap ng supply ng coal. Tangina, pinagtripan ko yung ender. Okay, that ender almost kill us, but he's a bitch. He only gave us a few damage. Dude, kailangan talaga natin ng supply ng coal. So we have no choice but to go down here. Okay, we have skeletons. Meron tayong supply ng coal dito kaso kailangan nating boom. Wala, take advantage lang tayo sa creeper. Okay, so let's get this coal and let's go to the nether. As I promised, sa ating next episode, take adventure na tayo sa nether. Pero wait lang muna. Kailangan din natin pala mag-start na mag-ipon ng ender pearls, no? Para pag nakita na natin yung lagusan papuntang ender world. Excuse me, Mr. Golem. Diba? Makakapunta na tayo ender world. Okay, it's time. Wait lang. Ay, gag! Putang ina. Pala napluto yung pagkain natin. Hayop na yan. Ah! Okay guys, so babalik muna ako ng ilang minuto. Lulutuin ko lang yung pagkain natin, no? Okay, so naluto na natin. So let's go. Let's open the portal. Wish me luck, guys. We have our full armor. Let's go. Holy shit. Where the hell are we? Taka na, ayos ah. Saang parte ng ano to? Nether to? Di ko alam to pa. Okay. This is quite a few kind of shit, pero that's okay. We can make our pwede tayong gumawa ng palatandaan kung saan tayo dapat umuwi. Huwag lang tayo malalagdag talaga dito sa laban na to kasi patay tayo. Wait lang. Tabunan lang natin ng cobblestone para hindi tayo mamatay. Okay, so lots of ano to, slime, lava slime. So tandaan na lang natin yung pinuntahan natin. Where the hell are we? This is very usual. Taka na, ibang klase yung napuntahan nating place ah. Pero it's now or never. We have to do this once and for all. Hello, Mr. Slime. Holy fuck! Shit! Sorry for hitting you. I don't even have an idea. What the fuck? They multiplied! Holy shit. Don't you mind if I'm going to take this shit? Don't you dare push me in the lava. Holy shit, they multiplied. I don't know if sasaktan nila ako, ano. Fuck, they are immune in the lava. Of course, they are lava slimes. How idiot I am. Okay, let's go down here. We have a magma cream. I guess we can use this to make some potions. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Okay, here we go. We're going down here. Hindi ko alam kung sasaktan ako na itong mga to eh. Ay hindi. Hindi nila ako madadamage. Hindi nila ako sinasaktan. I guess. Oh fuck. No, I was wrong. I was wrong. I was wrong. No! Fuck you! Fuck off. I thought you guys are friendly. I should have known. Ah! Fuck. I thought you guys are friendly. Where should we go? I don't know where should we go. They are attacking me. I thought they are friendly. What? Fucking slimes multiplying shit. Just like humans. They are multiplying when they're doing romance and shit. No, I don't want this little shit to push me in the lava. So we better be careful. This is a waste of time. Okay, we pass them through, and I'm hearing a skeleton. I think they are also guardians of this fucking shit. I almost shit my pants. Where the hell should we go? I am looking for... Ah, no you don't. Fuck you! Shit! No! No! Fuck you! Tong ina. Kailangan kong i-retrieve yung mga gamit ko pero paano? Tangina na sunog na lahat. Tangina. Nagpakandahirap akong hanapin at tangina. Tangina mga snipe yan. Nawala yung pagkain ko. Nawala yung tools ko. Pakahirap mag-retrieve na tools. Ang hirap magsimula ulit. Tangina nyo mga slime kayo.